Here's the video of Byhoo fishing game. Let's go to see it. This is a very rich set of fishing game toys.
It contains 40 pieces of the uncolored wooden fish block, 12 watercolor pens, 24 pieces of puzzles, 41 pieces of iron sheets, 2 sets of number and letter stickers, 2 fishing rods, and an instruction. The first way to play this set of toys is graffiti. You can refer to the colors of fish on the illustrated handbook, paint the graffiti fish and dry them with a hair dryer. Certainly, your kids can also customize the fish with their favorite color. You and your kids will enjoy a very fun DIY painting time. As you see, just tear off the 2 sides film of the iron sheets and attach the iron sheets to the back of the fish. When you play the fishing game with your baby, you can turn the fish over and guide your baby to recognize the letter or number. We have designed a jigsaw puzzle to let the fish swim in the ocean world. After assembling, your children will see the whole interesting ocean world. Now put all the fish in the ocean world and then fishing with the fishing rod. We hope you and your children can enjoy more fun from the toys. This is all the introduction of the toys.